is the deep neural networks that we use under the hood. So in fact, in AlphaGo, there are two different neural networks. The first neural network is something we call the policy network. We also have a second neural network, which we call the value network. And the way that AlphaGo uses them is to reduce the enormous complexity of the search tree down to something more manageable. So instead of having to consider hundreds of different moves at each step of the search, it just considers maybe a handful of promising moves that are suggested by this policy network. The value network we use to reduce the depth of the search. So instead of having this enormously deep search that has to go all the way down to perhaps 300 moves all the way to the end of a game, what we do is we search to some modest depth of perhaps 20 moves, and then we evaluate that position without playing all the way to the end of the game to say who is going to win in that position. The search process itself is not based on brute force, it's based on something more akin to imagination.